1971 Lincoln Cent, coin collectors and history lovers. Today, we are diving into the 1971 Lincoln Cent, a coin that may seem common at first glance, but has some hidden treasures that can make it highly valuable. Some rare varieties and high-grade specimens have sold for hundreds or even thousands of dollars at auction. Stick around as we explore its history, design, rarity, and record-breaking auction prices. History of the 1971 Lincoln Cent. The Lincoln Cent series has been in circulation since 1909, originally introduced to honor the 100th anniversary of Abraham Lincoln's birth. Designed by Victor David Brenner, the Lincoln Cent replaced the Indian head cent and became a staple in American coinage. The 1971 Lincoln Cent belongs to the Memorial Reverse Series, 1959 to 2008, which features the Lincoln Memorial on the back. This design was introduced to mark 150 years since Lincoln's birth and was used for nearly 5 decades. The U.S. Mint produced the 1971 Lincoln Cent at 3 locations: Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark, 1,919,490,000 minted. Denver Mint, D, mint mark, 2,911,045,600 minted. San Francisco Mint, S, mint mark, proofs, 3,220,733 minted. With billions of these coins minted, most 1971 Lincoln Cents are still only worth face value. However, high-grade examples and rare errors can be extremely valuable. Design of the 1971 Lincoln Cent. Obverse, front side, features the right-facing portrait of Abraham Lincoln, originally designed by Victor David Brenner. The inscriptions include, "In God We Trust," above Lincoln's head, "Liberty" to the left, the date, 1971, to the right, mint mark, D for Denver, S for San Francisco, or no mint mark for Philadelphia. Reverse back side features the Lincoln Memorial, designed by Frank Gasparo. A small statue of Lincoln is visible in the memorial center. The inscriptions include, "United States of America," along the top, "E pluribus unum," below, 1 cent, at the bottom. The 1971 Lincoln Cent is made of 95% copper and 5% zinc/tin, weighing 3.11 grams. Rarity and valuable varieties of the 1971 Lincoln Cent. Most 1971 Lincoln Cents are common, but certain rare varieties make them highly collectible. 1. 1971 Double Die Obverse, DDO, most valuable variety. One of the most famous errors for the 1971 Lincoln Cent is the Double Die Obverse, DDO. This error shows clear doubling in the inscriptions, especially on "Liberty," "In God We Trust," the date, 1971. This variety is rare and highly sought after by collectors. Value of the 1971 Double Die Obverse, DDO XF40, circulated condition $150, $250 -50 Australian dollars, almost uncirculated $400, $800 MS63, uncirculated $1,500, $2, $500 MS65. Gem uncirculated $5,000 plus auction highlight. A 1971 Lincoln Cent Double Die Obverse in MS65 red sold for over $7,000 at auction. 2. 1971 S-proof Double Die Obverse, DDO. The San Francisco Mint produced proof coins for collectors, but some proof cents show strong doubling in the inscriptions. This is a rare variety, making it valuable among numismatists. Value of the 1971 S-proof DDO, PR65, Deep Cameo $3,000, $5,000 PR67, Near Perfect Proof $8,000 plus auction highlight, and 1971 S-proof. DDO in PR67 Deep Cameo sold for over $12,000. 3. 1971 off-center strike. Some 1971 Lincoln cents were struck off-center, meaning part of the design is missing. The more off-center the coin is, without losing the date, the more valuable it becomes. Value of a 1971 off-center strike: 10% off-center, $50. $150% off-center, $300. $500 plus 4. 1971 clipped planchet error. A clipped planchet occurs when a piece of the coin's edge is missing due to a minting defect. These errors are collectible, but not as rare as a doubled die. Value of a 1971 clipped planchet: $25 to $100, depending on the size of the clip. Auction prices for the 1971 Lincoln cent. Here are some of the highest prices paid for rare and high-grade 1971 Lincoln cents. 1971 double die obverse, MS65 red $7.00 plus 1971 as proof double die, PR67 deep cameo $12.00 plus 1971 MS68 red, perfect grade, no errors $2, 500 plus 1971 off-center strike, 50% off-center 500 plus. How to sell a 1971 Lincoln cent. If you have a 1971 Lincoln cent and want to sell it, follow these steps. Check its condition. Coins in MS67 or higher are much more valuable. Look for rare errors, double dies, off-center strikes, and clipped planchets can be worth hundreds or thousands. Get it graded. If you have a high grade or rare variety, getting it certified by PCGS or NGC will increase its value. Sell online. Websites like eBay, Heritage Auctions, and great collections are great for selling collectible coins. Visit a local coin dealer or show. You could also sell to local coin shops or attend coin shows for potential buyers. Final thoughts: the 1971 Lincoln cent may be common in circulation, but rare varieties, like the double die obverse and high-grade uncirculated coins, can be worth thousands of dollars. If you have one, be sure to check its condition, look for rare varieties, and consider getting it graded. You might be holding on to a hidden treasure. That's all for today's deep dive into the 1971 Lincoln cent. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more coin collecting insights. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting!